In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge videos together on your computer. So on your computer, there's a built-in app called Clipchamp or Clipchamp. As you can see, you can just go and open that. Of course, it is made by Microsoft. You can go if you want and install any other application that you want, maybe CapCut, maybe DaVinci, maybe if you have Adobe or something like that, you will be able to do it very easily. So from here, all you need to do is just go and click on create a new video. And you would like to go and import the video and import all the videos that you want to merge together. So I'm just going to this option and I'm going here as example to this, and I do have here some videos. I'm just going to open those videos. So all I need to do now is just go and add them to the timeline, and then they will be merged together. So let me just make it short, add this video as well, and add this video as well. As you can see, I added 3 videos and they are merged together. So if I go here and play the video will play, and as you can see, they will just go to the next video right away. Of course, you can also add a transition if you want to. So you can click on it and choose which transition do you want between the two of them. So as an example, the transition is fade per default, but you will be able to change it however you want. So I'm not going to show you like how to edit. It's totally up to you to choose which transition you want. For me, I'm just going even to delete it. So I don't want to add any transitions. And yeah, once you're done, you can just go and click on export and export it to any quality that you want. And the export will start, and then you should find it saved in your download or wherever you want it to be saved. For me, I don't want it to export, and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.